Okay, the front is finished, but we need to do the rear. So, we got up early this morning to get out here and tackle it. Already got the wheels chalked. Let's get the jack and lift this up. Okay, we got the rear up where you have to get this shock out of here. Hello, this is me from the future. Do not remove your lower shock bolt until you at least get your top shock nut loose. Thank you. You're welcome. All right, you see that? We need to find a wrench that fits it. On the instructions for Weldtec, it says that's a 21. No freaking way. So this is a discrepancy with the E150. It was the same with the front shocks. The top bolt for the shocks was much smaller than they were suggesting on the thing. No worries, it's fine. We just gotta find a wrench that'll fit that and just kind of set it on there. All right, no, we're not getting any bullets out. We have an ammo box of wrenches. How handy. Let's see if you fit. No, let's go bigger. This is a bit of a mess. 5/8. And this is a 15 mil. There's no way, I mean, I can barely get it on there. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to break and remove it. Yay! All right, I took a big break from this and finally got a little ratchet. And now you have to put it in there and just spin this shock. It's about free now. But this was a battle. This was a bad one. All you need to do is get one on top and spin the shock though. All right, it's out and we're free. Now, I wouldn't wish that on anybody. If you're watching this, I feel bad for you. Ooh. Oh. So now we still gotta get, now we have to get this rubber guy out. Box cutter, box cutter, box cutter. Where's the box cutter? Alright, and then go from the top and yank her out. That's it. Done with one side. That sucked. This is a 15 mil wrench on top of that. But look under here. I have a crescent wrench. I'm sure this would be an 18 mil. Stuck in that, I had to wiggle it down in that tube from behind. There's that little exhaust shield there, or whatever that plate is. I had to walk it down there and then walk it back. Basically back it in and feel it onto that. That was a chore. And now we're at the final few turns here, and it still won't let me just be done with it. Just fish out this wrench. I can't even grab it. I don't know how I even got it in there. And just spin this free. I also brushed this thread real nice and then PB blasted it. Shocks are done. These shocks are stupid shocks. Okay, that sucked. We got the shocks off. We've been soaking these U-bolts in PB Blaster. So it's a 24 mil. We're gonna loosen this side and then go take the other side all the way off. Yeah, right, perfect spot. Okay. Oh no. Oh, it won't get all the way down there. What am I gonna do? That's acceptable. Says let the fat end go back. The way this adds up, there's a hole in the axle case where this perch is on, and a little nipple right here. All right, there's a female end here underneath the spring. You're gonna have to wiggle your jack backwards to line that up. Now we're coming back up. We just have to give it a little persuasion. Yeah. All right, that feels good. Up we go. Up we go. Dropping our hardware on there. It rolled, but I found it. All right. You guessed it. We're doing this side now. Cool. It's very used to having this U-bolt there, I promise you. Go. All right. And we'll be torquing these to 165 foot-pounds. Well, it asks for 165. Mine does 150. So we're going to be torquing these to 150 foot-pounds. Jeremy had a pretty good tip in here. Obviously, these threads are too tall. We're not going to be able to get our wrench down on them and lock them in. So his trick was you take a nut and you use that as your depth to cut it. Right, so you put a nut on there, you're gonna cut it, and then when you back out, this nut coming off is gonna clean up those threads. So let's cut. See that little piece is in there. There's a little metal tag, and as we go up, it's going to take care of that and the other things. Seeing what happens when we try to introduce the shock to its new home. I'm not very excited about this at all, even a little, not even remotely. Unless my luck has changed, this is going to be a little tight. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to bend this open a little bit. It'll close itself as I get the... Alright.
You on the phone?
Nope.
I'll leave this little one for you. Since he's hanging out by your van. I just looked forward.
I just got a hernia.
You just got a hernia?
Nah. Okay.
Distracted, I'm sorry.
Oh. Sonny killed all the bees.
I killed 6. Still going.
And there you have it. This is the completed Weldtec Designs Baja Grocery Getter 5-inch lift kit. Here's a little before and after. Yeah, and that is a cool transformation. It definitely sits slightly higher in the front and in the rear, but this doesn't bother me at all. I think it drives great. I like how it drives though. The suspension reacts much quicker. Before it was just kind of springy. I got so much more ideas I want to do for this van, so y'all just keep watching. Please subscribe, don't miss any of them, and thank you for watching. Good job.